In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone screen not responding to touch and just your iPhone not responding in general. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. I really do appreciate it, and do make sure you watch this video right until the end. Now, I just want to quickly reassure you, saying that iPhone's not responding isn't that much of a deal. Do not worry about it, it's quite an easy fix, and if not, I'll give another quick one at the end as well. So all you want to do is, when your iPhone's frozen, as you can see mine is actually working right now, but if yours is frozen, then there's actually a really easy combination to do, as the usual sort of powering off your phone isn't going to work. So there's going to be a combination of buttons I'm going to explain right now. So to go and force restart your iPhone, which you're basically going to do to get past it not responding, all you need to do is press the volume up button here, then down, and then hold the power button. So that's all got to be done quite quickly, all in one motion, as otherwise the phone may not sort of recognize it. Now I'm going to go and do it all in one motion. So I'm going to go and press the volume up, then down, and then go and hold the power button just like so. Then you're going to get the option to slide the power off. You probably won't get this option because your phone's actually frozen, but in my case my phone isn't frozen, so it's giving me that, and as you can see it then just goes black, and you can let go of the power button, and now the iPhone is going to do a full restart. As you can see, it's now powering back on, and then all you got to do is wait, and then when your phone turns back on, it should be working fine. However, if your phone isn't working fine when it turns back on, this probably means there's more of a hardware issue, so the actual screen could be damaged or something like that. But if after restarting it still doesn't work, then you probably should go and book in with an appointment at the Apple shop, and then they're going to fix it. And as you can see, your phone should now be working, and then you can go and enter your passcode and go and use your phone like usual. Hopefully this video did go and fix your phone. If it did, please go down below and consider leaving a like and subscribing as well, as I know a lot of people get really stressed out about this. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.